This is a gray leather watch band sized for a watch that has 14mm lugs. I was sent this band to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $12. They haven't paid me for the review, and my opinion remains my own. Right, so they say this band is made from genuine leather. It doesn't have any particular smell. It does have a genuine leather stamp and a 14 here. It has these captive pins with the little slider bar that lets you install them easily. And they say it's a stainless steel hardware. And my magnet is not at all attracted to it, so I kind of believe that it is stainless steel. Wait a second. So my magnet is just barely attracted to the pin that goes all the way through there. So maybe that pin is a different type of stainless steel, like an 818 versus a 316, something like that. And there is a very slight attraction to these guys as well. All right, so it has this little loop up here. It has some stitching right there. And it has a loop down here that's kind of integrated with this little thing that folds over. So let's install it. All right, that was easy enough. All right, it's been installed. It's not broken in yet. Right, so I have relatively large wrists for a watch with a 14mm lug, and I think I want this setting right here, so I have one extra adjustment point there. And so this guy here, I probably won't be making use of the second strap retaining loop here. If I did, it'd kind of just go right there. So it's definitely gray, has silver, very chrome polish appearance, metal hardware there. Works like it's supposed to. So with the exception of the stitching on this little loop, everything else looks like it's held together with glue. It's just folded over and glued in place.